guys have fun?
Yeah, my buddy's on the side of his truck playing video games.
No, I have my drone up in the air.
His drone's directly ahead of see the red light?
I thought it was a video game.
It is pretty much. You can just fly that motherfucker anywhere you want and scout it out. Where's the party at? That's crazy. That motherfucker's up there too.
No, I go way higher than that.
I know that.
So is that here?
Yeah, it's right up there.
It's right there. Right above you.
The red dot up there.
He's flying.
See, we're down there.
Yeah, they're breaking the rules. That's one thing I actually did today is read the rules before I came here.
Fireworks?
No fireworks, no blast, no guns.
I always love to bring a lot of fireworks for my birthday.
It's your birthday?
Yeah.
Happy B-Day.
It's not your birthday anymore, man. That was a couple days ago.
Yo, it's my birthday for this whole fucking weekend, okay?
Princess.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
When was your birthday?
Thursday.
That's how you got the concrete slab.
Where are we going?
Oh.
Yes.
Well,
Yeah, okay.
I like the style. Thank you.
We did brag. It was my birthday.
When did you come? Thursday?
Yeah. We got here like
After I talked to you?
Thursday. Yeah. I was gonna have your boy fix it, but I had somebody else fix it, and then I broke it again.
Yeah,
Wait, let me see. That's the drone
Yeah,
footage?
it's right up there.
Yeah, it's live.
Straight up ahead of us.
Huh.
What do you guys want to see?
Got it fixed, and I had the sports car driving.
Let's go see what that is.
Right? The brightest
Wherever the most
light.
light is.
Yeah, exactly.
It's probably a fire.
Looks like it.
Looks like a big ass fire.
Oh, what? It gets like so much more clear as it moves in. Does it get like more like night vision looking?
It's just closer. That's the tablet screen going up and down. There.
Really?
There we go.
What?
Pretty big. So we'll make this thing so small. I know it's not like this. I can make it.
Look at this.
So it's the sponsor.
Oh, what's that? Oh, that's the vendors probably.
Yeah, that's where we are right there.
Oh, cool. What's that big orange light?
I feel like there's nothing over here, but there's a lot of lights, that's for sure.
Yeah.
These people just dug in real deep.
I feel like they're
There's a
breaking
big party.
I feel like they're breaking a lot of stuff up now. What's over there?
Alright, see you tomorrow.
You said they're breaking a lot of stuff up?
Yeah, I think so.
Why would they do that?
I think they're so something around like 2 a.m. and they start kind of like.
Oh, is it curfew?
No, well,
It's just kind of frowned upon to
I
do.
don't know.
like-
The guy at the.
I was by
at the
myself
gate-
last night driving around until the sun came up, so.
Yeah, but there was no one out there. They can't. They have to like try
Yeah.
to enforce some sort of rules.
But
so
if
there's not
there's
that
nobody
many.
out there, they have easier control over me.
Yeah.
When there's a lot of people, they have no control.
Oh, well, they did take it out for a little. That's awesome.
It's a beast.
Yeah, looks like it.
This thing has like a light too, like a floodlight. I can't tell what the fuck that is. Looks like a spaceship.
I know there's somebody's house here. I don't know where are you?
Somewhere over there. Here. Oh, there we are.
So where?
It'll show you the path in a second. Alright, so we're here where the H is. I flew it way up there.
So you're all the way over there?
Yeah, it's over there somewhere.
So that's probably like another little party area. By the LEDs coming from. What do you do? Nothing.
You had a good night?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah.
Like, yeah? Like, yeah.
Yeah, I'm still out.
Guys,
I haven't slept yet.
I'm gonna be YouTube famous tomorrow.
You're gonna be what?
I'm gonna be YouTube famous walking around with my cock out tomorrow here. It's gonna be
Killed
awesome.
by Amanda.
Yeah.
like.
Yeah, during the day you'll see
everything.
everything.
Oh, yeah, it's got a 4K camera. But I got this spotlight too. Like
Alcohol abuse in my
I don't
video.
care.
I don't even want to see. I don't even want to care about it. I think they started to try to cook everybody down at like 2. I think they tried to shut everybody down at like 2.
Here's a party. Well, it might just be someone's campsite.
The address.
There was the address.
It's got a map.
Send the coordinates.
It's not a campsite.
Yeah, those are the
What?
campsite.
No, dude, they're partying, man.
Oh, that looks like the same thing with the speakers. Oh no, that's different. Those are different.
I don't know about the expensive equipment.
No, it's not a campsite. They're in a pit.
Yeah,
It is a fucking campsite.
No, they're not. They're in a mud
Party,
pit.
goddammit.
it's a
Yeah,
party.
but they're in a mud pit. It's not a campsite.
That's a party.
It's a party.
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 Party, party, party. Tomorrow I'm going in.
Can you literally do that? Can you like send us coordinates? Like how?
Yeah, no, I can pull it up on the map. It'll show me exactly where it is.
That's fucking sick, bro. This is insane. And you're right.
How
Like they have
close?
no
Oh, no,
idea.
you're on
Like,
that.
I'm pretty close.
oh look, the
Go
one
ahead.
girl.
He's waving.
I got the spotlight on too.
Oh, you're probably bugging them the fuck out.
Feds.
I'm just afraid. Like I'm waiting for like a really big truck to be next to it and me just fucking slam into it, thinking it's
Like
like
someone just whap it.
I got plenty of clearance.
Or a drunk ass redneck just like, BOM!
You still have the spotlight on?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Turn this off. Oh, look at this guy.
Hey, he's having to get away. Skirt.
This is awesome, babe. I want a drone. Then we can really make music videos.
Do something cool. If I was on top of standing on top of the Hummer too, the transmission would be even better.
Can you like click on it so it moves with it?
So look, yeah, I can. Oh, hold on.
And then a canal.
Oh, it's too dark. It can't recognize that.
Oh, what?
It can't see like the outer limits of it. Oh, what's going on over here?
Party still.
I'm gonna have to change the battery in a minute.
How your mom? I think your mom's gonna like it here.
Oh my god, she's gonna be like, you guys are crazy.
You better get her here November 4th.
Alright, I'll talk to her about it.
That's Redneck Yacht Club.
She was asking me when to come.
Redneck Yacht Club. Your mom better come.
We just
we-
went up at the same time?
Yeah.
Pretty much.
That's beautiful.
We need her mom to be here in November for Redneck.
You guys
That was a moment.
You're so meant
Well,
to
we're gonna
be.
get her mom to come on November for the Redneck Yacht Club. So her mom can send me.
Your mom lives here?
No, New York.
New York.
We're gonna fly.
Oh, yeah.
We're gonna fly her in to come with us.
How old is she?
My mom?
She's fun. Just get her drunk. She's cool.
She's a mom of New York City. I mean, how old are you?
I'm 27.
So
I don't
she's
even know.
50 maybe?
Yeah, she's like 55.
She'll probably school us, Mom, to be honest with you. I know my mom will school me. She's still schooling it.
Her mom will get a little.
Why we don't hang out?
She'll get wine drunk.
Yeah.
Don't they all?
We'll
Hey,
get her a
wine
little bottle
fucks
of
you up,
wine.
bro.
She'll hang out at the
Bottle of wine.
trailer.
We'll get her dirty.
We'll take her on like one ride around.
Whether it's a fucking dirty or the daily, we'll get her dirty.
She's already dirty. She just doesn't like showing it.
Dirty.
What does Cheek say? You dirty bird.
Yeah.
Dirty fucking bird, dude.
You on the party?
Dirty fucking bird.
We had the party. And
No,
then
we're-
What happened to the fucking party,
I think
bro?
it's like right by us right now. I think so. Hope so. I think we're over there.
Yeah, you right there.
No. I see it coming this way.
What the fuck is that thing?
No, that's a storm, man. Look,
That?
it's coming. Look
That's
right
a
above you. Look
planet.
right above you.
That thing's moving.
Right there.
Yeah, but that thing's moving. Or maybe not.
Yeah,
No,
that's
definitely
gangster as
It's like
fuck, bro.
Jupiter or something.
Yeah, that's a planet.
And it's like a fucking Xbox controller.
Right?
Look at it. The controller itself it's easy to control.
Yeah, if you know what you're doing.
You have to get used to it, obviously, but
Yeah. It's kind of hard at first. You have to be careful too, because if you like
Well,
crash
you
it,
can go any.
how many
any-
triggers you got up top?
Just 2 in the gimbal.
That's your left and right, right? Like boom, boom.
No.
Oh, it's small.
Oh shit! What happened?
What?
Oh, yeah, there it is.
Did you die? Battery's dead?
That was scary. No. The battery is dying though. I got plenty of time.
Anyways,
I've been recording this whole thing.
is that you?
Yeah.
Tomorrow I would spend a good hour. Like around 12. Everybody's awake, everybody's out and about. Prime time. And then you really can see everything.
Oh, I mean, it's got a 4K camera. It's just not night vision.
I'm saying tomorrow 12 prime time.
Yeah.
Everybody's getting fucked up drunk. Where was that one party at?
Somewhere over there, I think.
Yeah, it's in the back corner. I mean,
But I can take this like 3,000 or 4,000 feet in the air. See the whole thing in one little frame.
did you have to register it?
No. Well, it is
How long
registered.
ago did you buy it?
A couple months ago.
A couple months?
Yeah, I had another one
And they
before.
didn't make you register it?
No, it's like it does it through the app. But like I don't need like a pilot's license or anything to do it.
No, of course. Like registration is
Oh, can you just give me a hug?
unidentified objects flying in the air. Like they want to register it because of what people are using it for.
Well, it's got to be a certain size.
Certain size. This one's small.
And
what I noticed.
yeah, but it's still a.
Told you how to
It just needs to be recognized and registered by the FAA. So
That's why they
FAA.
have the lights, spotlights.
Glass.
all this sort of
But like it'll tell me if something else is in the air. Like it'll say aircraft in the area or approaching, and it'll show it on the map.
shit.
Yeah.
Are you serious?
I've had some helicopters and stuff flying by.
Oh my god, dude, that shit is. I've seen plenty of them, but I've never seen one in this this manner. I don't know.
That is.
That's dope.
It's coming in.
Can you set
Coming
it
in
to
hot. Coming in hot.
follow you or?
Yeah. So I can draw like I was trying to do it. It's too dark right now, but I can draw like a box.
And it'll follow
the
that
active track.
destination wherever
Yeah,
you
I'll
go?
show you a video where I Here, let me just,
I see them all the time, like snowboarding.
No, I've got a video where I was mudding actually in the Hummer. Oh, I just did this on TikTok. Look at this.
Look, they see your drone. The bugger there is right there. Yeah, I'm surprised how many people are aware right now.
Yeah, not like.
No, they were all waving at it, like literally.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. It's probably the first one ever. I haven't seen any videos of any drones.
Follow, go straight. Follow that bugger.
Oh, it's just following it. Oh, it actually got that. That's cool. I gotta change the battery in a minute. It won't only let me come to a certain point.
It went that way.
Yeah.
You see it right there? Like to your left? That's the buggy.
Yeah, I see him. Right there.
I feel like it feels so far away from here, but dude, that shit is smooth.
Just want to hit these fucking random ass power lines that are fucking scattered around.
And the makeshift fire lines. They probably didn't get approved for this. Watch, put the spotlight on, watch. Let's see it. Oh, that's hilarious.
Got him.
That is great. Wait, you captured a...
No, so there's a spotlight on the bottom of this fucking thing.
No, I seen the spotlight. Does it capture a picture?
Well, I'm recording the whole screen, but that spotlight's pretty damn bright, dude. You'll see it in a second.
Yeah, that's high. How many feet would you say that is right now?
We're at 26 meters. It's like 80 feet, something like that.
And that's how, yeah, that shit's bright, bro.
But during the day, I mean, it's much better. It's just not designed for.
That's crazy. How much did you spend for that?
It wasn't that much, man. It was like
Couple
11,
hundred
1200
or-
something like that.
11, 1200. So you went to the commas. It's not worth it.
Are you kidding me?
Anything other than a stacker more for one of these things? No, it's not worth it.
Oh yeah. Oh damn it. No. Why'd you do that?
Brace the impact of my foot.
Dude, how did that not fucking break anything?
Because it hit my
Jesus.
fucking foot.
Oh, thank you so much, man. Fuck. I just got some fucking bunch of fucking goons broke into my fucking Hummer.
Where do you
This
live?
was like a month. Dude, like right across from where Phil lives. Like
You have a house?
in Lakes of
You own a
Sherbrooke.
house or you rent it?
Yeah, no, I own it.
How long have you been out there?
4 years. 4
That's
years.
a nice area, bro.
Dude, I love it. My house is sweet.
It's quiet. I don't
But
see the
my,
neighbors being too fucking.
Yeah, man, it's
Those
open.
big
Yeah,
baby,
yeah,
whatever.
you got to deal with some politicking sometimes. Fucking like, smack some people around, but
But yeah, the only ones you're dealing with that on that aspect are the ones that've been there 10 plus years.
yeah.
Other than that, everybody's fairly new, no?
Dude, those houses go pretty quick.